To create a text sticker, I'm going to go over to my text tab here on the object panel, and I'm going to click in adding a text box. I have my text here and I want to put in the text I want to turn into a sticker, which is this text. I am going to click out of the text box and I will click back in. I will duplicate because I don't want it to be the same text, and I will come into the first one and I will take out all this and clean out, and I will come into this one and also take this out, and let me just click on this and take this also, cut it and close it in, and let me click out, click back in, duplicate and bring it down and put in my next text. I want the text boxes to be the same size, and let me just select this two and pull it up a bit. And if I select all three texts and go to position, and you see the text boxes are the same size, I am going to space evenly and I have the same space. Let me pull that up here. Also, I'll come to the font. I want to change the font into select brush fonts here. You see, it changes the whole thing into a different style. If I still want to beautify this text further, if you go over to text effects here and I want to turn it to have an angled shape, I can give that an angled shape. So you can decide what direction you want them to curve, how curvy you want them to look, or however you want them to. I think I pretty much like this one. So once we have this, now we'll have all our text boxes selected. Let's make sure everything is selected. I'm going to click on these three dots and I will come down to download selection. I like to download with a transparent background, and you click on download. Let me just quickly add in a new page to work with. Take this up and we bring in the design we just downloaded now. Click on upload. Let's bring in that text we just downloaded. This is the text we just downloaded, and I'm going to add it into my design. You can increase that further for better pixels for when you are going to print this. And I like to change the color of my background a little so that it shows what I'm doing properly. Now, to put this in a sticker format, I'm going to click on text and go to edit here, and I want to come down to shadows, and I will scroll here and see the outline shadow. I will click on outline and click back into it, and I want to change the color of my outline. You can pretty much choose any color of your choice. You see our sticker begins to change, but pretty much stickers are usually very white. So I like to increase the size of 80. We already have our sticker, and to download this, what I like to do is to duplicate, and I'll select both of them, go to position and align to the center and align to the middle. Click on these three dots and download the selection. So it's not downloading the whole of the page size, and I'll click on transparent background. Now is where I like it to shine. I would like to take the pixel size of my design to go higher, and I will click on download and take this for printing.